You're bidding on a Ammco combination. What number is it? What does that say? 4,000?
Yes.
4,000 disc and drum combination. Very little use on this. This came out of a military storage facility. It doesn't appear to have much use on it. Everything is tight. It had quite a bit of dust from sitting for quite a while. Here's the dust pan, and then there's another section of the dust pan there. All the controls are nice and tight. They're not sloppy. There's not a lot of play. Comes with this tooling here, as well as the bench and what we showed you. Why don't we fire this thing up? Okay, nice quiet unit. Do the draw. That's fast. All right, put it on slow now. There's slow. Okay. And here's this one, the feed. This is what it is. Very nice unit. Not a lot of use on it. Appears to be in great condition. Good luck bidding.